My VIP guest, Bam Aquino! Did you guess it right? Here he is!
Dancing, do you?
Stressful. Pwede naman kung sa pilitan, pero kung pwedeng kumain lang, kain lang tayo.
I shouldn't have given this option.
Sabi, Watami, okay, I'm there. 2 o'clock. In punto.
Okay, let's eat. And which one here is your favorite?
I'm not sure. Ito siguro.
The
Mas
shrimp.
iba-iba.
Okay. Mine is the sashimi.
Sashimi. Palit natin. Here we go. Yeah.
All mine.
Iba-iba.
Thank you.
Ate Lori, share mo naman yung ating hidden connection.
Which one?
Our hidden connection.
Our hidden connection. Ayan. We're actually neighbors.
Yes. All of my life. For all of my life.
I saw him since he was like this small. And now he's this tall.
So ano po, we share a wall. As in, and yung mommy namin, babarkads.
Yes. Since then until today, best friends.
Oh, Tita Mel and Tita Auring,
Yeah.
best buddies.
Tight.
So, Lori, hindi ka ba nakukulitan sa mommy ko? Always asking.
Yeah, Ate Mel, always asking me, and I'm happily single.
Happily single, yes.
No.
Okay.
I love Ate Mel. And Kuya Paul, yeah.
Parents ko yun.
You can still be my ninong-ninang even if I'm not married.
Why not? Why
Right?
not? So, when I was in the States last year, kasi I was there for 4 months for a fellowship, natuto ako magluto talaga.
Oh, wow.
So, adobo, sinigang, nothing but pork.
Talaga?
Pork yung pinakamasarap.
No veggies.
No, may veggies syempre. So, may kangkong, labanos, ayaw ng mga anak ko ng talong, so walang talong,
Okay.
gabi, ano pa ba? And really good pork. What do you usually vlog about?
My goal is to make everyone be happy, have good vibes, positive outlook in life. So it's more fun videos. Mine is more of general to be able to capture, to put smiles on their faces.
Okay, perfect,
Yeah.
di ba? Kami, nakasmile kami kasi busog na kami.
Yun.